homeostasis is actually something that we talked about when we did our unit on cells, Unit 2. We talked about keeping a balance inside the cells that keep the cells healthy. Well, you have homeostasis in cells, but your entire body also needs to be in homeostasis. We used that as an example during our cell unit. What is your temperature? Should be around 98.6 for you to be purely healthy. If it goes too high, you have a fever and you feel horrible. If it goes too low, that can kill you, okay? It's called hypothermia. Your body's too cold to work. So we try to keep our temperature in the right place. Homeostasis in the body is important. So reminding you, homeostasis is when an organism's internal environment is kept stable and in balance. So everything is just right. The right amount of nutrients, the right amount of vitamins and minerals, the right temperature, the right amount of water, things like that. All of your body systems work together to maintain homeostasis. Right? So examples would be, if you start shivering when you're cold, that's all your muscles doing tiny little contractions, and they're trying to produce heat. So your whole muscle system works to try to warm you up. All right? Or you can get rid of extra water. Drink a whole lot of water, you'll notice you're going to the bathroom a lot more. And you'll notice that your urine is nice and clear. It's all that extra water that you put into you being flushed out of your system because there's too much water. So your excretory system will get rid of it. All right. Now the liver does some weird things in the body. The liver is this really huge organ. It has a lot of different functions. All right. One of them is that it produces bile. So it's helping you digest your fats. Another thing is that it can regulate cholesterol and sugar in the blood. Your liver can store some sugar, so if you start getting low, it can release some, okay? Or it can take up extra sugar to help level you out if you have too much. Same thing with the cholesterol. Another thing it does, and this is where it really breaks down into some homeostasis other than the sugar, is removing toxin from your blood. As you digest things, as you put things in your body that aren't really good for you, okay, toxins can sometimes be the result, and your liver is going to clean those out for you. Great example of something that you might take on a fairly regular basis that is safe for you is Tylenol. If you've ever taken Tylenol because you have a headache, all right, Tylenol got rid of your headache. Tylenol is safe. But when Tylenol metabolizes in your body, it becomes toxic. And so that's the leftovers. After your body has used the good stuff, your liver is going to take that bad toxin out of your body so you can get rid of it. Okay? So it removes the toxins from the blood. Now, if you overwork your liver, this is a very common problem for drug addicts and alcoholics, because drugs and alcohol are toxins that you're putting in your body. If you overwork your liver, you can develop cirrhosis. All right, so cleaning and regulating the blood is extremely important to your health. Well, your liver's cleaning your blood. If you're putting a lot of bad stuff in, you're going to make it work a lot harder. So if the liver can't do its job, a person could get sick and die. All right? Cirrhosis is the result of overworking your liver. It's scar tissue in the liver that is caused by long-term damage to the liver when you overwork it. Right? It keeps the liver from being able to do its job like it should. If you destroy your liver bad enough, your liver will shut down. And at that point, either you have to have a liver transport or it's going to kill you, because without being able to get the toxins out of your body, you will literally basically be poisoning yourself. So cirrhosis is a bad deal. And the reason why we talk about it here is it's simply an example of how one organ can affect your entire body if it's not working right. All of your organs, all of your systems have to work together to maintain homeostasis in order for everything to actually work like it should.